I know she's just not right for you. You can tell me if I'm wrong, but I see it on your face when you say that she's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop, I know I can treat you better than she can. And any girl like me deserves a gentleman. Tell me, where are we wasting time on all your wasted crying when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, better than she can, better than she can. How's the time for you? The second you say you like me too, I just wanna give you the loving that you're missing, baby. Just to wake up with you will be everything I need, and this could be so different. Tell me what you wanna do. I know I can treat you better than she can, and then they go like me deserves a gentleman. Tell me, where are we wasting time? I know you're wasting crying when you should be with me instead. Treat you better, better than she can, better than she can, better than she can. É isso aí, galera. Esse foi o nosso cover de Treat You Better. E pra esse cover eu convidei, o meu irmão, que me conhece há muitos anos, toca comigo há muitos anos. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu joinha, o seu comentário aqui embaixo. E não esquece de ativar o sininho da notificação pra saber quando tem vídeo novo. Um beijo e até o próximo vídeo.
Falou!